So in this video I'm going to be talking about my experience after replacing the battery of the iPhone 6s, and here's my opinion whether you should change it or not. So about the iPhone 6s in 2018 with 87% battery capacity, and at that time I don't even know about this battery health kind of thing exists, but when I came to know about it, it was at 87%. And then I DM'd a YouTuber called Nick Anchorman. He's one of my favorite tech YouTuber. At that time he said in 2018 that you should change your battery as soon as possible, but I ignored it because I was getting a decent battery backup. And as the time passed, the battery health decreases a lot. It was at 72% at the start of 2020, and believe me, it was so worse. The battery drops from 100% to 20% in just 10 minutes or less, I guess. And if you have an iPhone 6s on very low battery capacity or very low battery health, you can understand what I'm trying to say. So actually I was going to buy a new phone, probably the new XR. It's a great phone, but then I thought, why not just replace the battery, because I don't have any problems with the 6s. It's still very powerful phone even in 2020, but the only problem I was facing was the low battery life. So I bought the battery, and I also bought a repairing kit with it, and yeah, I replaced it by myself. And it's so easy to replace the iPhone 6s battery. You can also watch this Jerry video on YouTube. That will help you a lot. So I messed up with the pull tab, so that's what happened with the original battery. I don't have a second camera because I don't make videos of me holding a phone and then talking about it. I'll be doing that soon on my channel, but right now that's the screen recording of my iPhone 6s. And as you guys can see, the battery health or the battery capacity is at 100%, and it's been almost more than a month since I replaced the battery, and it's still at 100%, which is very great. I think you guys don't know I'm a heavy user and I use my phone a lot, but the phone dies after 4 hours of continuous usage, which is not bad at all, because it's a 1700 milliamp battery, which is very low to what we are getting now from Apple. But you know, when the 6s came, it was able to last about 5 hours, and getting 4 hours of storage usage, in my opinion, isn't a bad deal. Also, it will depend on what type of user you are. So this battery cost me around $6 where I live, and I bought it from a local tech shop. And it may vary depending upon your country and region. And there is one more thing that you guys should check before buying a new battery is the manufacturer year. Mine was 2019, and it will be on the back side of the battery. If you have an iPhone 6s with very low battery capacity, so you should replace your battery, because 6s is still a great phone, and I will use this phone till Apple stops giving the iOS updates. So yeah, that was my experience with the iPhone 6s after replacing the battery. So give this video a thumbs up if this video helped you, and subscribe my channel for more further and future updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.